there everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today, I've got some really awesome news to share with you guys. I've been waiting for months, pretty much a year at this point, to tell you guys this. I wrote a book. It's really hard to see, but I wrote a book. But yep, I wrote a book all about getting started in cosplay. It is called Creative Cosplay. Hoo-ha. I was approached about a year and a half ago by C&T Publishing if I would be interested in writing a cosplay book. And let me just say right off the bat, I was like, no way. There's no way. I hated grammar classes. I hated English classes. I was just not a person, and I don't like to say this, I'm not a person that reads a lot of books. And I don't mean that in like a bad way. I just don't. I like audiobooks and I like graphic novels. So I honestly thought this task would be daunting and totally just not my jam. But I mowed it over and over and talked with my family and friends, and they were like, you know, you really have a good angle on this cosplay stuff. You tell people about how you got started all the time. You tell others about tips and tricks to do it. Why not put it all in a book? Plus, I realized there wasn't a lot of cosplay sewing books out there besides the one that Camus wrote a couple years ago, which is really good and I do recommend. So with lots of chats with my publishing team and family and friends, I decided, what the hell, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This book is a great first companion if you are starting out with cosplay and you want to know how to research costumes, create mood boards, or even what a day is like for a cosplayer at a day at a con, which TLDR, there's a lot to it, and I do explain it in the book. This book is also really great if you want to learn how to sew costumes. Like, I am emphasizing a lot of sewing in this book. It's very heavy on the sewing side. And also if you want to learn how to choose fabrics, how fabric is made, what's fiber content, what's a weave, or the difference between fabrics like shantung and silk, which honestly I still get confused sometimes. All of this knowledge will make you help you understand fabric so you're not such a lost ball in tall weeds in those Joann's aisles going up and down feeling fabric going, I don't know the difference between cotton and linen. One of my favorite sections of my book is when I get to chat about cosplay competitions. I get so many questions all the time about competitions, and so I got real with y'all in it, like psychology real. I broke down the basic differences between difficulty levels as well as genre categories that some competitions have things divided up in that can be kind of confusing sometimes if you're submitting your cosplay for the first time. I also touch on places to shop for cosplay materials, the differences in wig types, and even tips and tricks on how to detail your costume up to the next level. I could not have completed this book without the help of my BFF Alex of Alexandria Lee Studios. Her work is peppered through my book, as well as many of my cosplay friends who are wonderful and able to provide me some of their epic cosplay photos that they shot with her within the book. So it's also a cosplay gallery of artwork of different people's cosplays, not just mine. This book is a cosplay gallery of the amazing works that Alex did with these people. So it's so beautiful. So thank you guys, seriously, thank you to all of you that have helped me with this book, as well as the C&T Publishing team, as well as everybody who just was like, Amanda, you can do it, you can finish the chapter. Because trust me, there were some nights where I just could not figure out what to write. I was so tired of writing about leather and wool and how to sew on snaps. I want to tell you all so much more about this book, but I'm not going to because I want you to buy it and read it for yourselves. This book is now available for pre-order through Amazon. I have the link in the description below. Please go check it out. This book will also be available as an ebook, so I will have some more information about that as it comes out. This book will be released worldwide September 23rd, so please stay tuned to my social medias as well as my YouTube and everything when the book is officially released. Thanks again to everyone who helped me edit, write, and add visuals to this book. I'm so excited to share it with you all, and hopefully it will answer many questions you guys have about cosplay, cosplay sewing, anything. And hopefully it will help you complete your cosplay goals. Once again, I said this is available for pre-order right now on Amazon, and I will have another option for an ebook soon, so stay tuned. And that's it for this week's video. This is a huge announcement for me and a rather short video, so thank you for sticking by and watching my entire video on my new book that I made. Don't forget to like and sub to my channel for more sewing and cosplay videos, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys!